can see the view from upper area of this village. You can see this lights here.
Oh, what are you doing? Lucky cupcakes? Mini cupcakes?
Yes, a cupcake. Eat me.
Okay, that's good. Wow.
Made out of spatulas, Christmas tree.
Yes.
Spatula.
हवा बन मेरी सांसों में उतर जाओ, जिस्म नहीं मेरी रूह में बिखर जाओ, हवा बन मेरी सांसों में उतर जाओ, मेरी सांसों में उतर जाओ, मेरी रूह
चलो.
You see there's a rose tree.
The fish looks like mer.
घूमते हुए देखेंगे. आजा बेटा.
Wow, my God. Risha.
It's so cold.
And we almost, stuck in
There's so many
traffic.
people that are trying to park here.
But that's
it's
okay.
literally crazy.
Look at that, Misha. Misha. Come on, Misha.
So welcome to our channel. We are at Peddler's Village right now in New Jersey. You can see this traffic and it's totally filled with people right now. You can see this rush. Most of the people, they come here this time in this Christmas season,
Look at this.
and you can see this lights here. She's not feeling cold. It's really chilly out here. Wow, this is the pond. It's a little pond.
It's real fun. Look at that.
Where is this Peddler's Village?
The fish.
This Peddler's Village is means nearby New Jersey, and it's basically it's in Pennsylvania, and there's no ticket for this location. And this is beautiful place. Comes in especially in
The
winter
fish.
season or
The
Christmas.
fish looks like
Really?
mermaid.
So cold here. So thank God it's not windy, otherwise you cannot survive here. These are all shops here. You can buy your things, whatever you want to buy according to your choices. Go inside these shops. Chill and enjoy. Wow, so beautiful shops in here.
I don't care about that.
Everybody comes here just to see that brightness in Christmas time. Wow, amazing! You can see the lights.
Yeah.
The location. This is the location area. You can find the location where are you right now, and this is the Peddler's Village map here. This is our first time. We are just finding this place, searching for good options. It's very hard to find because it's very dark now.
रोज ट्री से तो बड़ा है.
You can see the Christmas tree. They're enjoying this next to the Christmas tree area. And you can see this lighting. Beautiful lighting. Right?
तेरा चेहरा जब तक ना दिखे सुबह ही नहीं होती क्या करें.
Where are we right now?
We are in Peddler's Village in Pennsylvania.
Yes!
बना है चाहे जितने जतन करने अब पड़े.
Oh my god. It's a big rush over here. I think it goes with every winter.
Yeah.
We never been here before.
There might be 1,000 people around. If you lose your internet, it's all dead. You cannot search any location.
Yeah, Misha, how's that? You liking it? Liking this location? She's taking her pictures. As far as we are looking for everything, researching for new things. So you can see this rush and people they're liking it here. Wow.
Made out of spatulas, Christmas tree.
Yes.
Spatula Christmas tree.
A spatula Christmas tree. No plates. Thank you. So this kind of one shop here. You can see this Christmas tree from. This is a sticky situation. I think this is honey shop.
Put it. Yeah, this one is good. Taste it. Taste it and wrap it fast.
This is a shop of honey. Everybody is tasting and checking the flavors regarding honey. This is all different kind of oils they are selling there. So this is actually the village where you can find different kind of shops to buy stuff if you want. Right? So this is you can walk around to the whole village and you can see this kind of shops here everywhere. This is a peddler's pub here.
Peddler's pub?
Pub, if you want to go in pub. This is open. Pub. So we are not, no, we cannot go. We just have to come to see the beautiful view around. You can see the view from upper area of this village. We just came on this little bridge to see the shops nearby. So these are the shops here. If you like to buy. So these, you can see the rush. I think they're gonna stay late night here. You have to select your shape. Which color flavor you need?
Which color?
It's getting ready. Candy is getting ready here.
उलझे से सवालों में बिखरे से ख्यालों में रहने लगा है ये जरा.
It will open. Wait for your turn. You hold the stick.
Push.
Pull. Okay, that's good.
Wow, that's cool.
So this is a candy store. Going outside now. What?
It's going away.
Okay. Alright,
Wait. Wait.
so this is, we came here to this
Oh,
shoot shop, candy and
don't squeeze.
fudge chocolate store. I don't know the actual name of. Yes, Kip's Candy Corner. So we got this stuff here. How's that, Samvi? We can share it.
Can I try?
Yeah. So this is Peddler's Lane. So this is the crossing area. We're going to cross this road. We'll go that area where shops are there. This is Peddler's Lane. We are standing up here.
सोचो ना कैसे
So it's almost 7:20 around and it's all closed. Here the location. We were looking for some food. Now we're going to find something. After that we're gonna leave from here. This it's getting late now. My God, this is so much rush. For cupcakes. कहाँ जा रहे हो? This is the Pizza Village entrance. What are you eating? Pizza. Pizza Village.
Pizza Hut.
Not Pizza Hut. Pizza Village. How's that pizza? Barbecue chicken pizza. So now what's the plan? How was the pizza sandwich?
It was good, but I didn't like the buffalo.
Okay. So let's go home. This was the Peddler's Village. We explored some areas from here. So I hope you liked our this little vlog. So we're gonna close this vlog here. So we just gonna show you like some of moments. We are going through the exit now. So we're going to exit now. Bye. See
Bye
you
bye.
next vlog.
Yes, bye bye. Subscribe to Indal Vlogs.
Subscribe to Indal Vlogs.
Subscribe to Indal Vlogs.
Subscribe to Indal Vlogs. She's so cute.
Okay. So let's
Me
go.
too, and Jeremy too.
Yes.
And also
I know you're kinda busy with your else.